battery, we'll be looking at the distinction, we'll be looking at the differences between assault under common law and assault under Nigerian law. We'll also be looking at the distinction between assault and battery and the position of the law with regards to assault and battery under criminal law and as well under civil law. Is assault and battery different under criminal law compared to under civil law in Nigeria, or are they really the same thing? So that is what we'll be looking at in this video. Generally, under the common law, there is a distinction between assault and battery. They are not the same thing. Under common law, assault is just an attempt to apply unlawful force to the person of another without his consent. In assault, what is relevant is just an attempt. Making gesture to commit battery is enough as long as that person is put in fear that battery is about to be committed on him. Assault is committed. While battery under common law is the actual application of force, the touching of the person of another person. The rationale behind prohibition of battery is that the body of another person is sacred under common law, and therefore no one is allowed to touch or to apply unlawful force to the person of another without his consent. The law will protect you against trespass to your person. This position of common law, or the distinction between assault, which is an attempt to apply force, and the actual application of the force, which is battery under common law, has been introduced, or is the same position under the civil law, under our tort in Nigeria. So in our law of tort, there is a strict distinction, a very strict distinction between assault and battery. So under our civil law in Nigeria, which is our law of tort, it made a distinction between assault and battery. It maintained the common law position. Does our criminal law maintain this common law position? If you look at our law with regards to assault under section 252 of the criminal code, you will see that the offense of assault comprises of both an attempt to apply force and the actual application of the force. That is to say, under that section, assault and battery is all assault. There is nothing like battery. The section calls the attempt to apply force and the actual application of force as assault. So the term battery is unknown to our criminal code. So under our criminal law in Nigeria, there's nothing like battery. Both battery and assault, which is the position under common law and under our civil law, is the same assault under our criminal law. So when you are charging a person as a lawyer, don't make the mistake of charging somebody for battery because the person beat you up, he mess you up, he caused a lot of injuries to your body. You say you charge him for battery because under civil law there is a distinction between battery and assault. No, under criminal law there is no such distinction. You just charge him for assault. Don't create a separate charge for assault and a separate charge for battery. You are bound to lose. The charge will be defective, and any person can challenge such charge because under our criminal law, if you are charging somebody for the offense of battery under our criminal law, you don't charge him for battery, you charge him for assault because both assault and battery are the same under our criminal law. They are all assault, not battery. There's no battery, it's just assault. So don't make that mistake. So be diligent as a lawyer, and be diligent as a Nigerian, and be diligent as a law student so as not to mix them up. So in summary, the common law creates a distinction between assault and battery. assault is an attempt to apply force, battery is the actual application of the force. And this distinction was adopted by our civil law, which is our law of tort. So even in our law of tort in Nigeria, there's a distinction between assault and battery. However, our criminal law under the criminal code, particularly under section 252 of the criminal code, there is nothing like battery, it's just assault. And if you check the definition of assault under the provision, you will see that it comprises of both assault and battery. So therefore, it calls both battery and assault. So that is the question. There's nothing like battery under our criminal code. So don't make that mistake. Be diligent.